In today's video, I'm going to teach you Systemi.io Tutorial for Beginners 2026, a step-by-step walkthrough to help you get started with the platform and understand how everything fits together. First, head over to the official Systemi.io website and create your free account. One of the best things for beginners is that the free plan lets you build funnels, collect leads, and send emails without needing a credit card, so it's a very easy way to get started. Once you're logged in, spend a few minutes exploring the dashboard. You'll see areas like funnels, emails, contacts, automations, products, blogs, and courses. Getting familiar with these sections early on will make the rest of the setup much smoother, because you'll know exactly where to go when it's time to build and manage things. Next, create your first sales funnel by going to Funnels and selecting Create. You'll be asked to choose a funnel goal, such as building an audience, selling a product, creating a custom funnel, or setting up an evergreen webinar. If you're brand new, building an audience is usually the simplest option and a great place to begin. After that, choose a funnel template. You can pick a professionally designed template or start from scratch. Templates are especially helpful when you want to launch quickly since much of the structure is already done for you. Now customize your landing page using the drag and drop editor. Update the headlines, images, buttons, colors, forms, and text sections so the page matches your offer and brand. The nice part here is that no coding knowledge is required, which makes the platform very beginner friendly. Then create a thank you page for visitors to see after they submit their information. This page can deliver a free download, redirect people to an offer, or simply explain the next steps, depending on your goal. From there, set up your email list by going to Contacts and then Tags. Create tags to organize subscribers based on where they signed up. This might seem simple, but it becomes very useful later when you want your automations to stay organized. Next, go to Emails and then Campaigns to create your first email campaign. Give it a clear name, like a welcome series, a lead nurture sequence, or a customer follow-up. Then write your first email. Keep it short and friendly. Introduce yourself, deliver your free offer, and explain what subscribers can expect from you moving forward. Inside your funnel, set up an automation so that when a form is submitted, the contact is subscribed to your campaign automatically. If you plan to sell, you can also connect a payment processor like Stripe or PayPal in the settings section. After that, create your first product or course in the products or sales area. You can sell online courses, digital downloads, memberships, physical products, or coaching services. Before going live, test everything carefully. Submit a test email, check your page links, verify your automations, confirm your emails are being delivered, and test payment processing if you're using it. Once everything is working, publish your funnel and start sharing it through platforms like YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, or your email marketing channels. Finally, track your results by monitoring visitors, opt-in rates, email open rates, and sales conversions so you can see what's working and improve over time.